The first thing I do is I go to this free app that most likely everybody has, is Google Docs. So what you can do in there is create separate documents that you can type stuff in that's useful. So this is very powerful and free, by the way, to do. The next thing I do is focus on what my audience is going to be. So the pain points, the wants, the needs, everything psychological about your audience. Then I put it in my Google Docs. And here's another bonus tip. Once you actually have your target audience in mind, it's very easy to come up with video ideas. I know this because once I tell you about my target audience, I made 21 video ideas that came to mind as I have my target audience in mind. So, and what's this video coming up?